How to stop unwanted notifications from your Chrome browser. So if you are getting any unwanted or any kind of uh, unwanted contents notification on your Chrome browser, you can easily block it. So I'm going to show you my window, but if you're using any other device like iPhone or Android phone, the process is the same. Just follow my steps. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser. So before we go ahead, first thing we need to check whether our computer whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on three dot option, go to the help and go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will start automatically update. After update, you have to just relaunch it. Now just click on these settings, and there is a two settings, one for notification and another is a pop-up ads. Okay, so maybe you got the notification at bottom side, left bottom side, or maybe you got the pop-up side. So I will show you one by one. First we are talking about the notification. Go to the privacy and security. Here go to the site settings. Under the site setting, you can see the option called under the permission notification. So here you can just disallow the all notification, and you have to come to the customize option, and under the customize option you have to check is there any website added under this option. So is there any website added here? You have to just remove it. You will see the three dot option here after the website. You have just click and remove it. Okay, so this is for allow notification. So you have to delete all website from here to stop unwanted content. Okay, and you have to select this one for disallow the notification. Now we are going to talk about the pop-up side. Just scroll down, come back and scroll down, and you can see the pop-ups and redirect option. Just click on it, and same as you have to select this, don't send the pop-ups. And is there any website under this section, allow send pop-ups, same as you have to click on this three dot option and delete this link from here. So that is how you can block the unwanted notification from your Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.